Let's go down to Jim Knox. Jim.
I appreciate it, Buzz. How talented are Ranger fans? This is Ethan. He's sitting right on top of the Rangers dugout. He has 8 Rubik cubes with him tonight. He said he can solve a Rubik cube in 30 seconds. Tom, put the stopwatch on this. Let's see. Go, Ethan. Pretty fast. Nothing like baseball and Rubik cubes, huh? Look at that, huh?
30 seconds.
Wow.
That's perfect. He's just putting them on top of the Rangers dugout. He's going to be doing this all night. You know,
That's
not bad.
I remember when they first came out, I tried that a few times, and 30 minutes. It'd take me 30 years to do that. 30 seconds, I mean, it took 30 years.